In the previous unit, we focused on a driven simulation where we used prototype 1 resources. In this unit, which is titled Feed the Animals, our emphasis is learning basic gameplay using prototype 2. Now, all the resources in the video description were made available by Unity partners, Synthesis Studios, for educational purposes. The good thing about this asset is that they are all rigged, animated, textured, and ready to be used in your game projects. Now, if you prefer to add additional resources from a platform like Mixamo, which is a free Adobe platform for downloading a variety of character models, then get ready because that is all we will be covering in this video. To start downloading from Mixamo, simply sign up and all the 3D models will be at your beck and call. Mixamo has two tabs: Characters, which display all the 3D models on the platform, while the Animation tab displays the different animations that can be executed by all these characters. Let's select Army in the Character tab and click on the Animation tab and then type Idle. Select any idle state you prefer, but for the sake of this class, I will choose Awk Idle State. Click on Download and under the settings, ensure FBX for Unity is selected, 30 frames per second with skin, and keyframe reduction is set to none. Then click on the download button because that is all we need from Mixamo. Simply right-click in the project panel and click on Import New Assets and locate your download. Next, we will add the texture by creating a folder called Texture in order to prevent our project from getting messy. Drag the model to the scene view. Scale the size, and immediately you will notice there is no texture on the model. Also, change the name of the player. Now, simply click on the model in the project panel and select Extract Textures under the Material tab. Select the texture folder you created earlier and click Select Folder and click on Fix Now to resolve any material issue. And immediately you will notice your FBX model is looking exactly the way we saw it on Mixamo platform. Having added the texture, the next thing we will do is to add an idle state animation to our character. You may initially think that by simply adding your character to the scene, it will make it animate automatically by simply pressing the play button. But that is not the case because we have to manually configure the Unity animation system to reuse animation from Mixamo. By default, the imported FBX model consists of animations, rig, material, and meshes. We will be using Unity Animator component and Animator controller to get our player to animate. Ensure the player is selected in the hierarchy, then click on Add Component. Type Animator in the search and click to add to the player game object. Create a folder in the project panel and name it Animation. Right-click inside the folder and create Animator Controller. Drag the animator controller to the controller option in the animator component. Select the FBX model in the project panel. Click on this play like button, then on selecting the idle state animation. It is grayed out in the inspector because it is still a child of the FBX model. Simply duplicate by pressing Ctrl D, and immediately you will notice the loop option is no longer grayed out because it is no longer a child of the FBX model. Select and double-click the animation controller. This displays the grid pane, which serves as a visual interface for us to create and modify animation states. Drag the animation into the pane. Click on play. Now our animation is up and running. So that is all I have for you in this video. And if you find this video useful, kindly like and click on the subscribe button. So I'll see you guys in the next video.